Somewhere. Somewhere.
Approximately.
Somewhere between 900 and 1100 minor crimes are reported in this city every week. It will take us somewhere between 3 and 4 hours to get to Madrid. The company's annual turnover is somewhere around £70.7 million. Browser. Browser. Browser, browse.
A computer program that makes it possible for you to read information on the internet.
A web browser.
Level. Level.
Level. Level.
The amount or number of something.
Inflation is going to rise 2% from its present level. Chess requires a very high level of concentration. There is some danger of low-level radiation.
The height of something.
The water level in the lake is much higher after heavy rain.
Flat or horizontal.
Make sure the camera is level before you take the picture. Before I fix it to the wall, would you say this shelf was level? Yawn. Yawn.
To take a deep breath with your mouth wide open, because you are tired or bored.
I can't stop yawning, I must be tired. Platform. Platform.
A raised surface for people to stand on that is higher than the ground.
A viewing platform. This brilliant young violinist has appeared on concert platforms all around the world.
Work. Work.
Work. Work. Work, worker, work, working, overworked.
A painting, book, piece of music, etc.
The museum has many works by Picasso as well as other modern painters. The complete works of Shakespeare.
To try hard to achieve something.
You need to work at improving your writing.
To spend time repairing or improving something.
Tim loves working on old cars.
To do a calculation to get an answer to a mathematical question.
We need to work out the total cost of the project.
If a problem or a complicated situation works out, it ends in a successful way.
We were worried that the event would be disorganized, but it all worked out in the end. The first person. The first person.
The form of a verb or pronoun that is used when people are speaking or writing about themselves. For example, I and we are first-person pronouns.
Autobiographies are written in the first person. Precise. Precise. Precise, precisely.
Exact and accurate.
The precise location of the house is a secret. He caught me at the precise moment that I fainted.
Used to give exact details about something.
We met in 1994 on October 1st to be precise. There was a good turnout for the meeting, 12 of us to be precise. Upset. Upset.
An illness in the stomach.
I had an upset stomach after I ate that fish. Upsetting, upset, upset.
To make someone feel unhappy or worried.
The phone call had clearly upset her. It still upsets him when he thinks about the accident. Don't upset yourself by thinking about what might have happened. Flame. Flame.
Hot, bright, burning gas produced by something on fire.
The flames grew larger as the fire spread. When the fire engine arrived, the house was already in flames. Control. Control.
To limit the number, amount, or increase of something.
Fire crews struggled to control the blaze. No attempt was made to control the spread of the disease.
To rule or govern an area.
The whole area is controlled by rebel forces.
When you make someone or something do what you want, or the power to do this.
She's got no control over that child. He lost control of the vehicle. The police are in control of the situation.
If something or someone is beyond control or out of control, you cannot influence, limit or direct them.
The car skidded and went out of control, crashing into an oncoming truck. There's nothing we can do, the situation is beyond our control.
Being dealt with successfully.
Don't worry, everything's under control.
A switch or other device used to operate a machine such as a vehicle.
Where's the volume control on your stereo? The main instruments are in the center of the control panel. The captain sat at the controls of the aircraft.
To start to rule or govern an area.
The dictator took control of the country in 1933.
A rule or law that limits something.
He wants the government to impose strict controls on dog ownership.
A place where something official, usually a document, is checked.
Passport or immigration control.
Outer. Outer.
Outer. Outer.
On the edge or surface of something.
Remove the outer layers of the onion. The outer lane of the motorway. Outer London.
Minister. Minister.
Minister. Minister. Minister. Ministry.
A member of the government in Britain and many other countries who is in charge of a particular department or has an important position in it.
The Foreign or Health Minister. The Minister of for Education. Say. Say. Said. Said.
Used to show that many people believe something about something.
Drinking plenty of water is said to be good for your skin.
If something goes without saying, it is obvious or generally accepted.
It goes without saying that smoking is harmful to your health. Arrest. Arrest.
When the police take someone away to ask them about a crime which they might have committed.
Police made 20 arrests at yesterday's demonstration. She was stopped outside the shop and placed or put under arrest.